I went to Punjab Sweet House the other
ना
day.
शोर।
वहाँ के गुलाब जामुन was so yum. मैं ये सब खा खा के ना मैं मोटी हो रही हूँ. I think it kind of suits me, but Sunaina's a very big bitch. उसने मुझे बोला कि I think she's just really jealous.
वो क्या हो रहा है?
And that's why I think she thinks I am
देखो क्यों कर रहा है?
her insecurities, not mine.
ग्रीन।
Yeah, I may be a bit over the top, but
Green.
like I'm also a
Green
bit
कहाँ गया?
honest to myself. मुझे पता है मैं क्या हूँ. Sunaina, I just can't stand her. And she always says on the guys I like. I mean, हम club में थे, and there's this really hot guy, and I was just about to go up to him, and I spotted him first. And Sunaina's like, babe, I think that guy's really hot. But I'm feeling very bloated. Am I looking fat?
Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Why am I telling her?
Fat. लग ही रहा था मुझे. Which one? This or this?
कितने questions पूछती है? Green. Obviously green. Green.
Green. Green. You're so annoying. It's what's your favorite color, no?
A mess again. Always making a mess. Why is she so messy? Put it away. Just put it away. Everything will be fine. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Ta-da.
Wasn't Rao supposed to be already?
Fine. Be like that.
What is he doing?
What can I say?
Where could he be? पूछ लूं?
How is Rahul? Hot, hot, hotter than ever. London's totally working for him. I'm sure college में सब लड़कियां पागल होंगी उसके पीछे. I mean, what a hot body. Like just
कितना
God, I
बोल
saw him playing
सकती
football the other day. फील्ड पे भाग रहा था तो गूज़बम्स आ रहे थे. दी गूज़बम्स हाथ पे बाल टॉइंग टॉइंग करके खड़े हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, पाला नहीं जाओगे तो खड़े ही होंगे.
How is Rahul? अच्छा वैसे वाला how? He's very sweet and sensitive. I mean बात करो तो actually सुनता है. Just imagine. He listens. And his lips are just out of this world. I could just eat him.
What? Eat?
Eat.
Why would you eat him?
Eat means kiss. Like
Why
kiss
is
and
she sitting so
oh.
close?
Obviously, Valentine's पे घर आके पिक करके डेट पे ले जा रहा है. तो एक किस तो बनता है.
Yuck.
खुद से ना भी करे करवाना कितना मुश्किल है.
Again, questions.
Not so hard. Actually, ये sweet boys की प्रॉब्लम ही यही है. Keep waiting for signals. ऐसी सिचुएशन में हिंट ड्रॉप कर देनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप किसी पार्टी में हो और वो कुछ पूछे तो पास जाके कान में विस्पर कर दो. या किसी सिचुएशन पे हंसते हंसते हाथ पे हाथ रख दो. Just works the best. Intimacy भी ना इनिशिएट कर सकते
You're
हैं.
disgusting sometimes.
Shame. Why shame, दी? Prepared रहना बहुत जरूरी है. See, don't undersell yourself and don't oversell yourself. Keep the
You don't
balance.
have to yell. I can hear you.
I'll get it.
He's here. All right. Where's that sofa? Sit. No. Where's that green? Where's that green?
Hi Rahul, what's up?
Hi Malvika. Got a haircut?
Yeah,
Looking good, yeah.
thank you.
बड़ी फॉर्मल हो रही है.
Lilies are her favorite.
Wow, thanks, yeah. Acha, what time is the reservation?
Booked it for 9.
Oh, it's this. Where did the green? Ah, green.
By the way, were you at the game yesterday?
Game?
Okay, don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Why is he sitting here?
Hi, Preeti. Happy Valentine's Day.
Bubble wrap. Oh.
So sweet. Oh.
How did you know bubble wrap's my favorite?
Green.
Shall I?
Bye guys, have fun. Dee, don't trouble him too much, okay?
Please tell me we're gonna have ice cream. Raspberry ice cream. Raspberry, 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 raspberry.
Presented by Airtel 4G, India's widest 4G network.
मोरे पिया तेनु की मैं कवा आंखें न मेरी सोई जाने खुदा कब से है दिल में तू ही बेपना मोरे पिया कि मैं करूं मोरे पिया कि मैं करूं कि मैं करूं मोरे पिया
दीवानगी ये तेरी है कितनी शिद्दत भरी जैसे हूँ जन्नत की छाँव में हो मखमल सी बाहें तेरी मुझको यूं छूती हुई जैसे हो चांदनी की गाँव में आंखें ना मेरी सोई जाने खुदा कब से है दिल में तू ही बेपना मोरे पिया कि मैं करूं मोरे पिया कि मैं करूं कि मैं करूं मोरे पिया
मोरे पिया कि मैं करूं मोरे पिया तेनु की मैं कवा मोरे पिया
Enter the Wink Music Your Shot at Love contest. Win a special screening of Love Shots at YRF with a loved one.
This is amazing.
Just follow Wink Music and tweet #WinkLoveShots to get your unique app link. And get high on love.
Let's roll a fat one and get high.
Hey Raju, guess who's joining the Six Pack band next?
Love is very sweet.
Make it sweeter by sharing this video with someone you love.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel.
Bye.